Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have the Chevy Traverse and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight lens. So we're going to need two solutions in order to prep the lens. Our first solution is our slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And our second solution contains distilled water and alcohol, which makes our tack solution. So we're going to use our slip solution first and apply it onto the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. And if possible, clean the surrounding areas just in case the tint does touch the paint. Okay, so now flip your microfiber towel around, grab your tack solution, spray it onto your microfiber towel, and we're just going to clean off any remaining residue. What this does, it helps remove any wax, oils, or any coating that the lens may have. Okay, so we're going to start with working with piece number one. Piece number one covers this section of the taillight lens. So all we need to do is just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we want to align it to this section of the taillight first. Something to keep in mind when you're doing the installation, the film is only covering the clear section of the taillight. It doesn't cover the black color of the taillight that it already comes with. So keep that in mind. It's only covering the clear section. So once you have it aligned on this end, lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film. And on top, hold it in position, grab your squeegee, and just tack it down. And once this section is secured right here, we're just going to slowly make our way to this end right here. You could lightly stretch the film in case you do encounter any fingers on this section. If you do, it's just a light stretch like this. And just make sure you're holding it as you're tacking it down. And make sure the film is aligned and that the clear section is covered. Before we move on with the next piece, just make sure to seal the top section here. If you do pass your finger, you will notice that the film is lifting. Make sure you seal it with tack solution and a little bit of heat. You can also use a hairdryer to seal the top and bottom edges here. So grab your heat device, use the lowest setting, and just apply it onto the top section and the bottom. And as you're applying heat, grab your microfiber towel and just help it tack down. Make sure you're applying the heat evenly. That way we don't burn the film. Once we seal this one, now we can move on with piece number two. Okay, so now we're moving on to piece number two. Piece number two looks like this. It has a curved design and it matches the section of the taillight. All we have to do is just apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Make sure you align it on this end first. So have it aligned right there. Lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film. Keep it aligned and apply it on top. Hold it and with your squeegee start tagging it down. Remove all the solution in this area and then work your way slowly until you reach to this end. For this section here, just as long as the tint is covering the clear section, you should be fine. So if you need to maneuver it to align it, you can. Hold it and tag it down. Remove all of the solution, that way we don't have bubbles at the end of the install. And once we finish squeegeeing and removing all the bubbles, the last step is to seal, like how we did it with this one. Seal all the edges, that way the film doesn't lift over time. Okay, so now we're moving on to piece number three. With this one, same process, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And just make sure you align it to this section here. With this one, you will notice that the film has more material here. This is just so it could grab on to this part. That way the film stays secured onto this section of the taillight, since it has a more curve on the top area and on the bottom. Once it's aligned, lift it carefully, tack it down. After spraying tack solution, grab your squeegee, remove all the solution, and secure it. And just make sure this section here is aligned and just tack down with your squeegee. Remove all the bubbles, work your way slowly. And then to seal the bottom edges, since the film may tend to lift on this area here, apply tack solution with a little bit of heat, and also to remove all these fingers here if you encounter them. Same process, tack solution and heat. But before we do that, just make sure to remove all of the solution underneath. That way we don't have bubbles. Let's go ahead and start sealing. So just apply tack solution, grab your microfiber towel, your heat source, apply heat, low setting, apply it evenly, and as you're applying heat, use your microfiber towel to help it tack down. Okay, now we're moving on to this piece. So for piece number 4, same process, apply slip solution to the lens and the heat set of the film. With this one, make sure you just match the pattern it has here to the design of the tail light here. So it should be like this. Same process, align it here, tack it down after, make sure everything stays aligned until it reaches here. Lift, tack solution underneath, on top, hold it, grab your squeegee, tack it down, remove all the solution, and then seal the edges. So once you finish with the entire installation for the tail light, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire film. So to post heat, apply tack solution throughout the entire tail light, and you can use your hairdryer or a heat gun and apply heat evenly. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, as well as seal any edges that are still lifting. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the edges and help remove any solution on the edges as well. Take your time doing this process, use the lowest setting, spread the heat evenly, and once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the Chevrolet Traverse. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.